Hi everyone, it's been a long journey and day 60 has arrived. It's just a matter of time it passed. With those times, we learned, we enhanced, we became stronger. We learned the basics, we learned about details. Now, in the next iteration, we are moving into the another transition of design. We have to make modification in the already built template or designs, and also we will see which to start for first. So if you look back to the problem statement, what the first thing we have to start with, so out of this which are the things we need to start. There are multiple things to go. If I have to think of, I would start with a smaller part or easier part. So that will be part adding the timestamp, nothing much. And then adding another thing, that is adding CSS to upload page. So this is the thing. Adding CSS must be part of the coding, so this is not be there. We will next work on the search feature. So these two tasks must be on priority because that could be done easier and quicker. Then we can do the part of email generating template, and then admin section and my post section. We can do these parts later. So first, let's go back to the design and we will walk around the template part of the comment. So now we are in the design phase. So if you can see, we are on this design page and there is no timestamp here. There is no timestamp here. So let's add a timestamp in the this part. So let's mark some another thing, another text box. Which could be have everything on center. Let's say 2 minutes ago. And let's change the color of it. What should be the color? We will pick the color. Now we will paste it here as well. And instead of 2 minutes, it could be 2 hours ago. So now 3 has been added. So comment part has been added here. So same, it will goes here. 3 hours ago. Alright, that's all for this update. Now let's check what next are there. So next is to create the template for or design first the wireframe for search bar and then a wireframe, a design for the search bar. So we know we have to add something, that thing here. So let's add a rectangle and now rectangle, in rectangle there is a search bar. So we will look for icon or we are picking this up only directly. Now we will paste here because it will be everywhere. Here, here, and similarly it will be pasted in the these part of the things. So now I want search space to be here, somewhere here. So that is the part I have added. This is the wireframe where it could be in place, and now we have added color and design. It's a simple. Now what we want to copy this wireframe here. Search page. Now we don't want these contents. What we want this thing to be here as well. Instead of that, here if the value is there, the list should be available. So it should be something like this way, where it have rounded box. Color should be of this. Stroke should be of color this. And stroke thickness this much. And inside that there is a text box which states, let's say someone search Jack, so Jack will must be here. And it text should be bigger. Should be of this size. Now make them a group. Search result. So now this group will be copied, paste with this much space. Now think there is 4 only, so 4 will be available here. And similarly now we will copy this and paste again. Now I will delete all of these things. So list will be available here. Yeah. So now everything will become a link. So I guess that is okay for you, and this page is also completed. So let's go to Jira and mark these two things. We will mark first thing as design as in progress. Let's assign everyone to Avneet Raman. Now in the design part, search feature has been completed and comment has been completed. So what the next thing we will markdown. We will try with any of the email template. We will try to figure it out what template we can build. So the next part from tomorrow, it will be doing the email template, and then we will move toward my post and finally admin section. And upload image section is the just the CSS part. So let's mark it here and we'll mark that into front end. So this is also important thing. So we can use this as well when we update the profile. So user marking could be there, and we will add that in the review. We will add that in this search bar itself. So let's mark it itself in the search bar. A three dot. So let's see, just a minute. So now fill with the black and so this should be 5 and this should be also 5. Ellipse should be in a single group and name it as hamburger menu. We want to copy, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. So now on click of this, that option will be opened and one can block those things. And let's mark this as marked for review as done. So you can see we are doing it a bit up faster in this iteration because we have an update in the previous iteration that helped to make it a faster approach. So we will come tomorrow with more of these things and we'll try to solve each other as quick as possible so that we can again work on code. So there is some notification. Let's see what was that. It's a notification of due itself. So nothing to worry about because we don't have any due right now. So that's all for today. Thank you, and thank you for watching. I hope that is helpful to you and you enjoyed the session. So let's come back tomorrow with more content. Thank you.